This is the TEKLAPS solar wall lantern 2-pack. This was sent to me so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Just want to show you it comes in a box just like this. It's packaged real nicely. They're kind of in there sideways, so you're going to want, what I did was cut the box and just kind of dumped it out and let it slide out. But they're packaged in bubble wrap, arrived safely. I love solar lamps. I have them all over my backyard, and you'll see that tonight when I do the video to show you how these things work after I charge them up all day. But solar lights are great because they're just kind of a set it and forget it thing, you know. Hang them up, make sure they can get 8 hours of sunlight a day, and you don't have to worry about them. What you get with this is the actual 2 lanterns themselves, and let me measure these real quick because everything looks bigger in the pictures. So these guys are about 7 inches tall, 6 inches wide at its widest point. You get the 2 lanterns, solar lanterns. You get 2 metal brackets to hang them up with. You get these 2 bottom pieces that once you've hung the lamp up or wherever you want, they just snap into place in the bottom here. So easy enough. And you get 2 sets of screws and anchors, one for each one of these, because you got 2 holes right here we're going to put this up on. They arrive just like this, so you're going to have to unscrew the top, simple, pull it out, and there's an on-off switch right here. We just put the thing into the on position and it should be good to go. Look at that, covering the solar panel. Just like most solar devices, they do have a battery inside of here that may need replaced at some point. It's a 1.2 volt, 1200 milliamp lithium battery. Once you open this up, flip this into the on position, then you just, you kind of got to slide it around here. There you go, lock it back into place, and you're ready to hang them up, charge them up and hang them up. Simple as that. The device itself is actually made out of plastic. Appears to be plastic to me all the way around, and we've got some glass in here, so that's kind of cool. So you got real glass and a hard plastic on here, and these are obviously steel. And another cool thing about these is that they are IP44 waterproof, so they're good for rain and snow and all that. Great for outdoor use, which is what I'm going to use them for. All right, I'm just waiting for the sun to come over the trees. I got them hanging here on my tomato plants so we can charge them up for at least a couple hours before we test them and see what they look like tonight. I got a little hook on the wall and everything. Look at that, hanging on the tomato racks, charging all day. It actually looks a little brighter than it really is on this video for some reason, but it's a nice warm light, low light, and it looks pretty cool. I have this like pentagon type structure in my backyard. Check it out, I hung one up in the middle of it using some cable ties. Pretty cool. So if you're looking for a set of ready to go solar lanterns, a 2-pack, check these ones out.